Hi there, just at Sweetlamb Adventure Academy again. End of October, coming on mid to end of October. Just thought I'd do an update here with a group doing some adventure training. So they're just off with doing a loop around here. They'll come around in a second. But I brought the mighty CT 125, which it's always interesting, isn't it, the way that the adventure market has gone. I mean, this is a place where they run the KTM school, where they train you to ride on the 890 Adventure. I think they had 1290s previously, not so much now. And then people who come here to learn come on the Africa Twins and on the GS12s. And we've got smaller bikes here today, Himalayans, CB500Xs, STRF 250, those sort of mid-sized bikes. But even with those bikes, you've still got to learn how to ride them to safely be able to conquer. This is an easier section, but there's tougher sections around here they're riding. So you have to have technique to ride even those mid-sized bikes. You have to come and learn. You have to have ability. You're going to fall off. You're going to break things. There's a learning process in place. And actually, as I brought this CT125 here today, you kind of realise the solution for novice riders going off-road is already here. It's called a smaller bike. 100 kilos, low power, soft brakes, soft throttle, soft suspension. Pretty much a novice can ride tricky terrain, and that's what I've found doing the postie bike days in North Devon. Sorry, that's somebody's getting shot over there. There's some rifle range over there. So yeah, so if you're in the position of wanting to learn to go off road, and you've got an Africa Twin, you've got a GS, and you necessarily don't want to break it, you don't want to break yourself, you don't want to go off road, you don't want to go through the process of being tutored, just buy a small bike for less than £1,000 or whatever, and just go out green laning, because it's the easiest, most accessible way of going green laning. I mean, obviously, if you do want to learn to ride your Africa Twin off-road, come to a place like Sweetlamb, which is absolutely fantastic, and the tuition's fantastic. The bunkhouse is just down there, so it's all on site. The training's all on site. It's absolutely an amazing facility, 9,000 acres, I believe it is. So you see the guys there coming down. They're just doing, braking on a downhill descent, how to rear brake without locking up. Really good skills to have. But if you start on a shit cheap bike, your back brake's not going to be strong enough to lock up anyway. So you've already conquered that skill. But no, in all seriousness, if you are wanting to go green laning, forget everything the adventure market's taught you or told you or tried to educate you to think that you need the right bike, the right training, the right kit. Just go out and buy a cheap old bike and ride it on the lanes that you've got near you. And even if you might not be technically perfect, you will get down them and you will have some fun. And 99 times out of 100, you'll come back in one piece, as will the bike. So what is adventure motorcycling? What is off-road riding? Well, it doesn't have to be big, heavy, expensive. So there we go. But if you do want to go down that route, learn to ride your Himalayan, CRF, 500X, GS12, KTM, come to Sweetlamb, because it's, well, as you can see, it's an amazing facility. So mid Wales. All right, cheers guys, bye.